OEE stands for Overall Equipment Effectiveness. No matter what form of manufacturing you're going to do, OEE can be a very good matrix to see where you're at in that factory. On average, customers, when we go out and we show them how to use this properly, typically see gains of 10 to 15%. We want to look at the process and we want to optimize it. How much time is running, how much downtime, the average cycle time, versus the production speed, real-time data monitoring. You use real-time OEE monitoring tools to track the performance of that availability in the quality and performance matrix continuously. So having this connected directly to the machine is the best way to do it. You want to be able to have this at your fingertips, so you want it that easy, expandable. You want a true system that's an IoT acceptable system, 4.0 or IoT, where you can adapt to outside sensors from machinery or even different machinery. You can worry about just taking care of the floor. We're worrying about getting that data for you, make sure it works, make sure you have ways to view it and see it.